G'day, here's a part of a parcel that is on offer. Probably break it up into smaller deals, but also read the description. You'll get an indication there of what size I've broken the deals up into, but I may even just leave it as a single big deal to start. So just make sure you look at the description in the website. But anyway, well, just to give you an idea, this is some of the material. Some quite large pieces. I'll zoom in a bit. Okay, I've zoomed in. Just haven't moved any of the material yet in relation to each other, as it was originally tipped out. As you can see, there's lots of pieces. There is some clay still mixed amongst it. The reason it's there is because it's so hard. If we keep tumbling, it'll just wear the opal away before we get it clean. Here's a piece I just picked up. How many other pieces in there like that, I don't know. That's been ground a little bit, as you can see. But if I decide to break it up, it'll be randomly scooped into the weight that I decide. It might have colour in the middle. Sorry, off the screen. Some pieces with colour bars. But it will be random scoops if we go down that path. A lot of material to play with, like that big piece there doesn't look like it's got anything much in it. Oh, there's a little bit of colour showing on the end there. Sometimes it can open into colour, but there's no guarantee. There's a nice blue piece. Greens. Anyway, got an idea of what's in the parcel, I think. A lot of fun to cut it all. Cheers!